Today, I'm going to show you how to find a phone number in Microsoft Teams. Whether you need to reach a colleague or grab contact details quickly, this process makes it simple to access phone numbers right within the app. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Teams interface with all your conversations and channels ready to go. Now, look to the left side of your screen and click on Chat. This is where all your direct messages and conversations are stored. From here, locate the profile icon of the person whose phone number you need to find. Click on that profile icon to open their details. This will bring up a panel showing information about that contact. In this panel, you'll see a section labeled Contact Information. Click on it, and you'll be able to view the phone number associated with that person's account. This is the quickest way to grab someone's number if you've recently chatted with them. Now, there's a second method that works well if you haven't messaged the person recently or if you want to browse through your contacts. On the left side of the Teams interface, click on the three dots. This opens up additional app options and features that aren't immediately visible in the main menu. In the search bar that appears, type People and then click on the People app from the results. This will open up your full contact directory within Microsoft Teams, giving you access to everyone in your organization or contact list. Once the People app opens, you'll see a list of your contacts. Browse through or use the search function to find the person you're looking for. When you locate them, click on their name to view their profile details. You'll now see contact info displayed on their profile page. Click on this section and it will show you the phone number along with any other contact details they've added to their Teams profile. And that's it. You now know two simple ways to find phone numbers in Microsoft Teams, whether through a recent chat or by browsing your full contact list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.